Oh, of course, an American.
Actually, my brother and I were born in the UK, but thank you.
Yeah, but you've got the old stars and stripes on your arm there and cowboy look in your eye. No offence, this is just a serious situation, and the last thing we need is some Washington stooge to come and supervise us, do we, lads?
Well, you got one.
And you are?
This is Mr. Jake Lawson.
You're Jake Lawson? The Jake Lawson?
You look much older than I would have thought. I mean, you look good, but your physical appearance does not match the amount of time that has elapsed in your life. Am I getting fired?